Hi everyone, I am so excited to share with you my book Emotional Hiccups. Here we are at the opening of the very first copies that I have received. And so here it is, finally, the first copy in my hand. I am so happy to see this and I am hoping that you will enjoy reading it as much as I did while writing.